Yes. Right in the middle of my god awful divorce. Snap. Then my leg went out from under me and I hit the ground in agony. Ouch. I limped for the next 13 years. Elizabeth, I'm so sorry to hear that you had that god awful divorce and you also experienced some personal pain. Ouch. But in May of 2012, they issued a dissolution of marriage. Yes. Then arrested me 3 days later, and I'm still going through a god awful divorce for the last 6 years and, well, a couple months. Yes. And then they served me at the same time as arresting me the wrongful execution of the dissolution of marriage. Now I was found not guilty of violating the protection order, but they kept reissuing them. And I responded to the petition and went to the children in the middle class. But the spouse that I had, Mrs. Hodges, motioned the court for it. I responded within the 89 days. Actually, 90 days. Yes. Sheriff's retirement service. Yes. Notice for trial setting. Oh my gosh. Declaration of my non-biological stepdaughter. Ooch. Then there was the parenting plan. Affidavit and declaration. Notice of hearing. A motion for temporary order. Ooh. On 9/14. 10/5. Settlement conference setting. Declaration. Ooch. Now, from 9/14. Yeah. Until 10/5, declaration of mailing. Yeah. I don't remember getting that. Exactly, where'd you send it? Then you had a temporary order on October 5th of 2012. Yes. And another motion hearing, Brent Basden. I don't see any proof of actual notice from the time of motioning court for I don't see any proof of notice of having received any documentation about anything that's happened to my son since, well, August 29th of 2012, almost 7 years, 6 years ago. Yeah. Now, confidential report, declaration of Heidi Budnick, temporary order, motion hearing. Yeah. Trial clerk setting from October 5th of 2012 to January 3rd of 2013. That would have been November, December, and January. Is there some reason why I didn't get notice of any court hearings? Oh. Now, how many different times did you have court hearings where I never got notice of the court hearings? Now, I'm going to go through the personal divorces of every person in law enforcement. And then I'm going to see, well, did you initiate the actual dissolution of marriage? And did you understand the requirements of the law? See, when it's your own personal life and you think, well, we're just going to cover this up. It could be that there are a lot of those in office that dislike me going through their own personal divorces. Could have been a god-awful divorce, was it? But I'm thinking that I can prove that you do know that you do have to give notice and opportunity to be heard because you've experienced a god-awful divorce. Now, for every stupid fucking one of you that happens to be in the sheriff's department that thinks that, no, we don't have to give the guy notice, and you gave permanent custody, I'm going to sue you for violating the actual